Liverpool scored a penalty 3 minutes into stoppage time. Now their opponents, Middlesbrough, have the chance to equalise with a penalty 3 minutes into stoppage time in extra time. It's Bamford, it's 2-2, and this is heading for spot kicks. Calm as you like from the young player on loan from Chelsea. Didn't flinch with the spotlight upon him. What a contrast. Debutant goalkeeper Jamal Blackman faced by the formidable figure of Mario Balotelli. Liverpool off to a good start. Minutes ago, this young man scored a penalty to take this to penalties. Patrick Bamford can't repeat the trick. Nowhere near as confident as his effort of a few minutes ago. Next up for Liverpool is Lucas. Well, the goalkeeper guessed right, but it was pretty perfectly placed. Penalty taker Grant Ledbetter can't take part, he was substituted. Clayton then. And Middlesbrough are off the mark. Adam Lallana still to score from open play for Liverpool. Scores from the spot, all right. No arguing with that. The game to extra time, it's Adam Reach. And that's perhaps the best penalty so far. 3-2. Still rising when it hit the back of the net. Scored his first Liverpool goal tonight. Now adds one in the shootout. Liverpool have won. Adoma then. Oh, very well placed into the top corner. 4-3. Year-old with the world at his feet. Raheem Sterling to win it. And Blackman makes his first penalty save. A blemish on Sterling's record. And on we go with the shootout. It was at a very savable height. Penalty being converted. It's Yellowbossen. 4-4. The Belgian does his job, and we're into sudden death. '18-year-old Jordan Williams in front of the cop now. Nerveless. Applause from more senior colleagues. In fact, all his colleagues, bar Rossiter, are more senior. George Friend for Middlesbrough. 5-5 now. One failure by each team, 5 successes. He's coming off his long run. Sheer power. May not have practiced a great deal, but he deserves the applause of his manager. Sight when the manager looked for a taker. It's former Liverpool man Ayala. And that was as resounding as any of the penalties that we've seen. 6 apiece. We're amidst the defenders. Mamadou Sakho. Looked calm and was calm. A player on loan from Tottenham. This to keep Middlesbrough in the game. And he does. Although Mignolet may feel that having got a fair piece of that, he should have kept it out. Was a long way to his left, mind you. Of defenders taking penalties now. Javi Manquillo, taker number 9 for Liverpool. Scorer number 8 for Liverpool. On loan from Chelsea. We've now gone past 10:30 in the evening. And if they haven't been practicing penalty, it sure looks like they have. Jose Enrique. 9 out of 10 for Liverpool. If this goes in, we'll see the keepers taking penalties against each other. It's Yannick Waldschut. And we have the relatively rare situation now, at 9 penalties apiece, where those starting with Simon Mignolet. We can't have done that often before. Well, only when messing up. Jamal Blackman. And we're going to go round again, because all 11 players from each side have taken penalties. Only Sterling of Liverpool and Bamford of Middlesbrough have failed to score. Second time. Bit more of a kink in the run, bit more hesitation. Same outcome. Up to attempt his third. One success, one failure. Bamford through the keeper and in. And how relieved must he feel? This may well be something new, even for someone as experienced as this man, Lucas. Well, penalty kick after penalty kick for individual is going to fail. This is Adam Clayton. It was just inside the post, but just as good enough. Lallana. (13-12). It is that brings this to a conclusion. Adam Reach. (14 rounds of penalties, 13 successes apiece. Suso again. All round now. Where will this masterclass in penalty taking end? It's Albert Adoma. He's missed. Liverpool go through at the end of a marathon penalty shootout. It's cruel on Middlesbrough, who contributed plenty to this lengthy cup tie.